Welcome to everyone in this new video. Today we'll show you the Durga face sculpture making tutorial video. Here we have taken the polymer clay, hardener and resin base. So here you have to take in 1:1 ratio and mix it properly, both this hardener and the resin base in this way. Then keep it aside. Now you can take this mold. This is a silicone mold of Durga face. We have purchased this mold from Amazon online. Now I will show you the step-by-step guide. So here first you take the coconut oil. You can take any oil which is available in your home, and you have to apply this oil inside this mold. In this way you have to apply the coconut oil. Now you have to put this mixer, polymer clay mixer, inside this silicone mold, and you gently press this in this way. You can see in this video. Okay, so now you again press this gently. So now the time came to remove this face sculpture. You have to paste from the back side. Now you can see it can easily come out from this mold. Sometimes it will take some time. So now we can see how beautifully came out this face sculpture from this mold. Now sometimes the face sculpture, for making some particular shape in eyes or nose or face, you can apply the powder. Any powder which is available in your home you can use. You can apply the powder slowly on this face mold, face sculpture, and then you gently press to make the proper shape in this way. Now this is the final result of Durga face sculpture. You can use this face sculpture for making jewelry or for making any kind of hands and crafts item, or for making any home decoration items. You can see how beautifully the face came, and this is a very divine face and looking very beautiful. Thank you very much for watching this video. We can come again with a new video. Thank you very much.